Okay, today is the Hubster's birthday, and I'm just trying to surprise him with this little contraption I made and a happy birthday sign. So this is how this thing is progressing. Where I just went back and got 2 of these helium balloons that say happy birthday to try to fill in some of them little dead spots. Okay, somebody came home and changed my banner because they said why my date is down. So this is how it's looking now. It's evolving over the day.
Hey!
He come close up. Close up.
I'm gonna
What is it?
Yeah. Okay. So today's your birthday. Say hi.
Hey.
Can you not do that?
You told me to say hey, right?
So today is my dad's birthday. He's turning
46 and a half. Really 47.
okay. He's having a barbecue, and I'm filming it. All right.
And
Bye bye.
Grandma. Grandma's here.
What?
Your grandma's here.
Hey, Grandma.
She thinks
Right.
she's taking a picture.
Oh, we're recording. All right. Bye, y'all.
So I prepped all his food for his little party. So he having steaks and ribs and chicken. And this is my first time baking a cheesecake. So I baked him a cheesecake. And then this the tester. And everybody say the tester was good. So this is his birthday. Okay, we doing the cheesecake clusters. And this is my first time making cheesecake. It was so good. Look how, and it's real dense. That's how I want it to be, like really thick and dense. So here go the round cheesecake. I'm just gonna take some frozen berries and put them on the top of that cheesecake, just like so. And this how it gonna look. Just cluster them all around like that. Yum. About 4. 4 or 5. It's 6 steaks in here.
I thought the steaks the shrimp don't take that long to cook.
It don't, but if they on top of these steaks, I guess it'll be the same thing as it was with the what's it called? We doing steaks and shrimp. This one a little bit too big. This is already pre-seasoned because I seasoned it yesterday. But I'm gonna put a little more of this dressing on there to give our steak a better taste. And then we're gonna put 6 shrimps on top of the steaks. And then we're going to close it up. All the shrimps we have left, we're going to just put them in aluminum foil by themselves So that's how we packaging them for Ishmael's birthday party. Okay, that's nice. Okay, the shrimps I had left, it was like 21 left. I seasoned them with this here, little black pepper, and a little salt, because Ishmael likes things hot. And it's his birthday, so he get what he wants. I like to keep my shrimp frozen, so the juice will help them cook. I'm gonna put a dollop of butter on both of these, and then we're gonna wrap them up. Okay, and there go the dollop of butter, and then we just gonna wrap them up, let them steam while they cook. Should be delicious. So I just take this mixture right here, the Kraft Deluxe, boil until it look like that, and then we take it from that to this. Okay, this is my macaroni, you guys. Y'all know you boil it, and then I'm just taking the cheese that come in the macaroni pack, putting it into the macaroni, and then I'm gonna take my egg and milk mixture and put it in there. So I'm doing that now, and then I'll show you my egg and mixture. Only do this mixture if you're gonna bake your macaroni, and we're finna bake these macaroni. So it's eggs, sour cream, and milk, and then you add extra cheese in there. 2 eggs. You put 2 eggs in there, then you put 2 tablespoons of sour cream in there, then you put your milk in there. So this is your sour cream. I'm getting a spoon of that. And then another spoon, add in there. Pour my milk in here. About that much. And then you blend. When you blend, you pour it all over your. So this is me blending. Trying to get that egg to crack. Like that. Like so. Okay, you pour your mixture over your macaroni. Pour your cheese in there. And then you mix everything together. Okay, so that's how the macaroni look before we put the extra cheese on the top of it. There we go. To make it just a little extra cheesy, you layer a covering of cheese on the top, and then this finna go in the refrigerator until I'm ready to cook it. What's in the beans are just ground turkey, onions, and bell pepper. And if you want to know what kind of beans I use, I'm quite sure they are bush baked beans, the barbecue kind, because that's what I like. Let me get the pan. Wait. So it just 2 cans of the original bush baked beans, and what I told you, the ground turkey, onions, and bell pepper. Okay, the ribs are seasoned. They're going in the refrigerator. This is how my refrigerator is looking until I get ready to barbecue. So yeah. Okay, we should be ready for these. These are my hamburgers. It's everything that I told y'all last time. Onion, bell pepper, salt, black pepper. The only thing different I'm gonna do in here is this the ranch package instead of the soup package. So the ranch is going in because they're gonna be hamburgers. And here I'm trying to see is my meat at least a little bit unfrozen. Okay, that's that. Like I told you, salt, black pepper, all-purpose seasoned salt, and we gonna dump all this and then we'll show you. Okay, what we put in here is bread, eggs, and a teaspoon of flour. The same as I made it last time. Only thing is ranch packages. We trying to wait till this bread cool down so I could crumble it, because it is very hot. But that's what we finna do. And then we making hamburger patties. So I guess I'll let y'all see it when everything get mixed and I start making my hamburger patties. Okay, this is how the patties are looking. I'm just taking them and putting them on there and making hamburger patties. Hopefully we'll get about 30 today, because it were 2 big old patties. And we just gonna go from here. Just that.
Where's she at? Need my mom be up here?
We finna record you outside.
Come on, see.
Kiki.
If you did a good job at your surprise, then this is how your significant other supposed to look. Full, happy. Look out. He happy, full, and sleeping. This is my goal every year, to get this man fucked up and drunk. Get him drunk and full. So that's my job every year. He's out for the count. Happy birthday, my love.